Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Priyank Patel. I am a consultant spine surgeon at Curie Group of Hospitals. Today, I'll be talking to you about slip disc and sciatica. Before jumping on the topic, I would like to explain to you a couple of things about our spine. So, if you look here, this is how our spine is going to look. That's the top part, the bottom part, the front part, and the back part. Spine has got multiple bones which are stacked up on top of each other just like a building block. In the front, the bones are supported by a cushion which is called as an intervertebral disc. In the back, they are held together by joints. Together, they are supported by muscles which are the core muscles of our body, and within the spine runs the nerves. These yellow structures are the nerves which are coming out at every level. Okay. Now, these discs are like jelly foams. They are full of water, and basically whenever you are moving around, whenever you are bending, whatever load that comes on the body is absorbed by these jellies. There are times when these jellies start drying up, and then the load bearing capacity of your spine starts going down. At certain stage, if there's an unnatural loading of the spine, these jellies can break and come out. Okay, when it does, it goes and hits on your nerves, and this causes severe inflammation around the nerves and pain going down to the leg. Now, these nerves are called as sciatic nerve, hence the name sciatica. So, whenever the disc comes out, it hits on the nerve and the pain starts. There is also a mechanical pressure on the nerve, which can lead to symptoms of tingling, numbness, heaviness, and at times weakness. In today's generation, with the demand that we are putting on our spine, the cases of sciatica and slip disc related problems are on exponential rise. If you identify and treat it at the correct time, 80% of these problems can be easily managed with this. In treating the spine is identification of how bad the problem is. Once we have jump to the treatment, it involves reduction of the pain by putting the patient to rest, using some local therapies like ice packs and physical therapies, and also anti-inflammatories. With this, the inflammation goes down and the pain can come down. Once we have relieved the patient of pain, the next step that is involved is getting the patient back to his full form, which means rehabilitation. By strengthening the muscles around the spine, we tend to decrease the pressure from the disc which has come out, and also relieve the pressure from the nerves. There are certain patients, in spite of all the anti-inflammatories that we use, the pain just doesn't go down. In that, we can help them by injecting medicines directly around the nerves, which is absolutely safe daycare procedure, which relieves the pain, and then the next step, that's a physiotherapist can start working on the spine and relieving the pressure of the nerves. Out of 100, there are these 5-6 patients, in spite of all the treatment that we follow, the pressure from the nerve just doesn't get released. In these patients usually present with a dull nagging pain which just keeps bothering them, difficulty in walking, tingling, numbness, heaviness. They are not able to stand for long hours and they need to sit down. Here we can release the pressure from the nerve surgically. Good old days, this used to be done by open techniques, where there used to be a lot of damage of the muscles, changing of the body biomechanics, and these patients used to be on prolonged rest, and getting back to activity used to take a lot of time. In today's generation, with newer techniques and microscopes and endoscope, this has become a daycare surgery, wherein we just, without damaging the muscles a lot, we just pick out the fragment which is offending the nerve and free the nerve. These patients typically get discharged within 24 hours, are back to work within 2 weeks, and essentially in full normal healthy lifestyle by 2 months. So that's more or less about sciatica and slip disc. I'm always available at Curie any day of the week. On call. So if there's any problem, I'm always there to help you out. There's a comment section down, so if you have any questions, I can help you out right away. And so that's it for now. You take care, maintain your weight, do good exercises, and if at all you need, we are there to back you up. Thank you.